Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. If you forget your phone password or lock your phone, for that you want to hard reset your phone, follow the process. This is Redmi 10. I will hard reset this phone. Easily I will show you. So stay tuned. Before resetting, you might want to remove your SIM card and any external card before resetting. Thus, their data won't be affected by the internal storage wave. Power off your phone. Press and hold the power button until the power options appears. Then tap to power off and your phone will be shut down. Already I did it. Press and hold the volume up button and the power button simultaneously. Continue holding both buttons. When the MI logo appears on the screen, release the power button but continue holding the volume up button. Release the volume up button when you see the main menu. Select wipe data and press power button. Reboot to system, power button. And we will press arrow button. Select language, arrow button, select your region, press arrow button, then you will click a check mark and arrow button, insert your SIM card if you want, otherwise click arrow button and select your Wi-Fi and give the password and connect arrow button and wait 3 to 4 minutes here. This process will delete everything on your phone, including photos, videos, contacts, apps, messages, and settings. Make sure to back up all important data to your Google account, a computer, or cloud storage. If there is no need to take a backup, you press Don't Copy. Give the phone pin. If you have Gmail account, please provide it. If not, skip it. Skip again. Next. Next. And if you want, uncheck all. Select your favorite and next. Hard reset complete. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.